Do you know about Dr. Kizzmekia Corbett? I am so inspired by her. Dr. Kizzmekia Corbett is an assistant professor of immunology and infectious disease at Harvard University. But something that you might have heard or should know her for is literally her role in helping to create the Moderna COVID vaccine. That is right. This woman had a key role in the development of this COVID vaccine. In fact, she was researching coronavirus spike proteins and mRNA vaccine technology long before the COVID pandemic even began. Guys, her work is so instrumental. It's so crucial. It's so groundbreaking. And honestly, I find her so inspiring. This is Dr. Kizzmekia Corbett. You should know about her. Guys, I'm Dr. Jen Caudle, practicing family physician. I'm telling you about 5 African-American people in medicine that you should know about. There's a ton more, but I'm starting with just 5. Dr. Kizzmekia Corbett is certainly one that you should know about. We also have Dr. James Mccune Smith. In 1830, way back in 1830, he was the first African-American to obtain a medical degree in the United States. Not a small feat at all. That is something, of course, as a physician that is near and dear to my heart. And then moving on to women, Dr. Rebecca Lee Crumpler in 1864 was the first African-American woman to earn her MD degree in the United States. By the way, this information is from the National Museum of African-American History and Culture. You should check out their website. They have a lot of great information about Black history all through the ages. We also have, moving forward in time, in 1893, we have Dr. Daniel Hale Williams III. He was a cardiologist, and he was one of the first doctors to perform heart surgery in the United States. Again, these people are unbelievably inspiring to me, and I know to us all. It's important that we recognize Black leaders in science and in medicine. And then finally, we have Dr. Jocelyn Elders. Dr. Jocelyn Elders in 1993 became the first African-American and second woman Surgeon General of the United States. That is one actually I didn't know about before doing this research. 1993, first African-American and second woman Surgeon General in the United States. One of the reasons why I became a doctor and pursued medicine was because of other Black physicians who came before me that I was able to see, that I was able to interact with, who I was encouraged by and inspired by. It's so important that we see people who look like us, in part to know that we can do it too. That is just a fact. This is my thank you to all of the men and women of color who come before me and before us in the fields of science and medicine, and honestly, everything else for that matter, who are certainly my inspiration and literally one of the reasons why I'm able to do what I do today. And for many of us, I would love to know your stories. I'd love to know your experiences. I'd love to know Black history facts in the topics of science and medicine as well that you have. Put them in the comments. But this is very important that we remember those who have certainly been trailblazers and forged amazing paths. Guys, I'm Dr. Jen Caudle, practicing family physician, on-air health expert, and video creator. If you've not liked and followed my page, I invite you to do so. For those of you who send stars, I respond to you personally. Thank you so much. And by the way, for those of you on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel and click the little bell for updates. Guys, I'm Dr. Jen. I'll see you soon.